Welcome to New Car Updates, your go-to destination for the latest automotive reviews, detailed specs, and in-depth features on the newest vehicles hitting the market. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Mercedes Vito Motorhome, a compact yet highly capable camper van designed for travelers who crave freedom, comfort, and functionality all in one sleek package. The 2026 Mercedes Vito Motorhome builds on the solid reputation of its predecessors with a range of improvements in both design and technology. The exterior styling is refined with smoother lines and aerodynamic touches that not only enhance the look but also improve fuel efficiency. The front grille has been updated with a more modern design, and LED headlamps come standard, providing better visibility during night drives and a more sophisticated presence on the road. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through city streets and park in tighter spaces, while still offering plenty of interior space for comfortable living. Under the hood, the Vito Motorhome offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of needs. There's a reliable diesel engine known for its efficiency and torque, making it a great option for long highway drives and mountain adventures. For those looking for a more sustainable alternative, the 2026 model also includes a fully electric variant. The electric Vito delivers a smooth and quiet ride with an impressive range, making it suitable for eco-conscious travelers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing convenience. Both engine options are paired with a refined automatic transmission, and the suspension has been fine-tuned to deliver a comfortable and stable driving experience, even on uneven terrain. Step inside and you'll find a well-thought-out interior that maximizes space and comfort. The layout is designed with travelers in mind, featuring a cozy sleeping area that can be converted into seating during the day, a compact yet fully functional kitchenette with a stove, sink, and refrigerator, and generous storage compartments throughout. The interior materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces and durable finishes that can withstand daily use. LED lighting is used throughout the cabin, creating a warm and welcoming ambiance, whether you're relaxing after a long day or preparing a meal. The Vito Motorhome also offers several optional features to enhance your travel experience. These include a built-in bathroom with a shower and toilet, solar panels for off-grid energy, a roof-mounted air conditioning unit, and swivel front seats to expand the living area. Mercedes has also equipped this motorhome with the latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen, voice control, navigation, and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to stay connected, entertained, and informed throughout your journey. Safety is a major focus in the 2026 Vito Motorhome. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind while driving, especially on long road trips or when navigating unfamiliar routes. Parking is also made easier with front and rear sensors and a high-resolution rear-view camera. Versatility is one of the Vito Motorhome's biggest strengths. Its modular interior allows users to configure the space to suit different travel needs, whether it's a weekend escape or extended van life. The electrical system is robust enough to support multiple devices and appliances, and additional battery options are available for those who plan to stay off-grid for longer periods. The attention to detail, efficient use of space, and seamless integration of technology all contribute to making the 2026 Mercedes Vito Motorhome a top choice in the compact camper van category. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes Vito Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car releases, specs, and in-depth automotive insights, don't forget to subscribe to New Car Updates for more.